Adding a barcode to the print file for your T9 handheld. From the main screen, we're first going to create a file by selecting the Create File button. This is going to open up your message editor. Once the message editor is open, we're going to select the barcode object. This is going to populate a simple QR code. This is the default information. From here, on the right-hand panel, we have the ability to adjust your parameters for the barcode object. First, the general section. This is your X and Y coordinates, which is the position within the available print area, and the rotation of the object. This allows you to spin or rotate the object within the available print area. In the Advanced tab, this is where we can adjust the content, in other words, what is being represented by the barcode. Simply by touching the content area here, we can adjust it using the keyboard that comes up. If we need more space, we can just touch this button, and this will open up a larger area for us to embed more information into the barcode. In the Advanced tab, you also have the ability to select the type of barcode. Just use the drop-down arrow, and then you can select the barcode symbology that is correct for your application. Once you have the information and the type of barcode, then you can adjust the height and scale of the barcode and turn the text display on and off. You can adjust the text position to the right-hand side or the bottom through the down or right, and whatever is being represented by the barcode will show up in human readable text here or here. If you need a GS1 standardized barcode, please make sure to select the GS1 option. That is not available on all barcodes. Also keep in mind that you must have it properly formatted for GS1 standards. If you are sending information to the barcode or having it pull information from a spreadsheet, you'll use the variable object here, and the how-to on that will be in a different video. Remember to save your information once you're done by clicking the OK button and then naming your file.